Hi, Jamin bhai. Good morning. How are you?
Sir, all good. What about you?
I am doing great. Thank you. And I like your T-shirt the way it's written over there. Let's wonder. Okay. So I welcome you to the life skills coaching. In life skill coaching, that is a one topic. I'm sure you have gone through the life will, as you know. That is a
Yeah.
part of the professional career. So in today's session, we will talk about the career development. Okay, what exactly career development is, how we can make it more better. Okay, so that we will see in today's session. Is it clear? We will
Yes,
go
sir.
through entire process. You can note down your questions, and if you have any question at the last, I will give you a time where you can raise all your questions, so you can make a note of it, right? And then we will answer your questions at the last. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So shall we move further?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Fine. So with that note, we will start the session. Can we go to the next slide? Okay. Now, what is the objective of this session? The objectives of the session are: one is 5 steps career process. Okay. So there is a process. 5 steps are there, and there is a specific process that person can take while they want to decide their career. Right. So that you
Yeah.
should know all those 5 steps process. And how would you go about it? So at the end, you can as you always do, you can make your notes, you can design your own process, and you can share it with me,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sure, sir.
So that will represent your understanding, and I'll come to know what is it. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we'll go to the next slide. Jamin bhai, how do you decide your education and career? आप कैसे डिसाइड करते हो, मुझे आप बताएंगे? हाउ डू यू डिसाइड इट?
Sir, actually, I want to do, मतलब મારે આગળ ફ્યુચરમાં બિઝનેસ કરવો છે, બરોબર? So,
करेक्ट.
wait, so I will further go for DBA and MBA, and in MBA entrepreneurship and innovation and all. So,
Okay.
according to education, I will go for in commerce field DBA.
Okay, wonderful. Can we go to the next slide? Okay. Have you given any professional systematic approach on documentation for your career planning? Did you give it step by step or something?
No, sir, not.
Okay. So do you feel that giving such approach may help?
Yes, sir. Sure, it will help.
Okay. And would you like to know what is that professional systematic approach to your career planning?
Yes, sir. I will love to know it.
Okay, so I'm sure that you have a lot of questions right now, but I am very happy to know that you have very much clarity, that you want to be businessman, right? And tomorrow you want to grow up as an entrepreneur. So that clarity brings you the education part, almost clarity that what you will do. So you are clear with your education part because you are clear with your profession, is it?
Profession. Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will go to the next slide. Go to the next slide. And here I will give you the entire process. So you can see here, there are 5 steps. Okay. Could you just read them for me one by one?
Yes, sir. Step 1, know yourself. Step
Yes.
2, options. Step 3, get focused. Step 4, self-development. Just pursue your path. Step 5, experience and evaluate.
Perfect. Wonderful. So there are 5 steps to go. Okay. Each step, this is called conscious career development, right? Why am I saying that conscious career development? Because career will anyway, it will go, right? Nobody will stop. Any person will do something and something, right? But
Yeah.
when you take a conscious development, it will help you to be happy, healthy, and prosperous. Why, how, and what, that I will answer, right? During this
Okay.
particular process. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Can we go to the next slide? Okay. So first thing, what you need to do is know yourself, which is also known as a self-assessment, right? Now, why this step? I will answer why this step is so important, right? Now, I'll tell you why this step is so important. For example, you are candidate who is very introvert. I'm sure you know introvert and extrovert, right?
Yes, yes,
Introvert is the person who loves to be with himself, right?
yeah.
And he enjoys his own company. He is very calm, right? Extrovert is the person who loves to go out. He loves to be much more social, right?
Mm.
And he doesn't love to sit at one place and work on computer or something like that,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Now, do you know what are you, introvert or extrovert?
Sir, actually, I am partially introvert and extrovert in the terms.
Wonderful,
I
wonderful.
like to talk with people, and also and I don't like to sit a place at a time, and it's like that.
So you don't like
Yeah.
to spare much time at a place
Uh,
more, and but also you like to balance in between. So you are the
uh,
balanced one, right?
mhm.
Oh, that's a
Yeah.
perfect quality of an entrepreneur. Being balanced one is the perfect quality as an entrepreneur, right?
Yeah,
So happy to hear that. Now, what
actually,
happens is some people,
my,
yeah, okay. Is there anything which you would like to share or say, or should I move?
no,
Okay,
yes,
fine.
sir.
होता क्या है ना, जयमीन भाई की जैसे लोग होते हैं, तो किसी ने बताया कि मार्केटिंग के अंदर बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, राइट? तो लोग क्या करते हैं, मार्केटिंग में चले जाते हैं, राइट?
Right,
हाँ, सम पीपल मार्केटिंग में चले जाते हैं, जबकि वो लोग इंट्रोवर्ट. सो दोज पीपल डोंट रियलाइज दैट इनिशियल स्टेज दैट आई एम एट रॉन्ग प्लेस. शायद वो लोग अच्छी कंपनी का नाम देखते हैं, शायद वो लोग कुछ और देखते हैं, पैसा देखते हैं, और वो लोग ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं मार्केटिंग, राइट?
marketing, yeah.
लेकिन इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सन वहां पे ग्रो नहीं कर पाता. उसको 2-3 साल बाद एहसास होता है कि यार मैंने तो गलत डिसीजन ले लिया,
Yeah, yeah.
है ना? वो इंट्रोवर्ट है, तो उनको शायद अगर वो ज्यादा केयरिंग है, ज्यादा ह्यूमन ओरिएंटेड है, तो एचआर ले सकते थे. अगर
हाँ,
क्वार्टियस है, ज्यादा कुछ चीजें हैं, तो उनको ही वुड हैव टेकन फिनांस.
yeah.
बट उन्होंने गलती क्यों की? क्योंकि उनको खुद के बारे में नहीं पता.
Hmm.
So as you
Yes,
want to be a businessman, like you said already that I want to be a businessman, right?
yeah.
तो किस फील्ड में आप बिजनेसमैन बनना चाहते हो?
Actually, I have not decided yet, but I'm interested in logistics and obviously for e-commerce and all. So
Correct, wonderful. So before doing it, these things as I have already explained with example, कि अगर इंट्रोवर्ट बंदा मार्केटिंग में जाएगा तो वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा, isn't it? वो एक्सट्रोवर्ट है तो उसको मार्केटिंग में जाना चाहिए. इंट्रोवर्ट को कुछ और फील करके, मतलब कुछ और असेसमेंट करके, अपने लाइकनेस और अपने नेचर के हिसाब से उसको आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. बिकॉज नेचर चेंज करना, हॉबीज चेंज करना मुश्किल होता है, isn't it?
yes, sir. Yes.
And this is why the first step is person should know everything about the self. So पहले आपको अपना फैमिली बैकग्राउंड एनालिसिस करना चाहिए, राइट? व्हाट इज योर फैमिली बिजनेस? अगर आपका कोई फैमिली बिजनेस है तो उसको आपको कैरी फॉरवर्ड करना चाहिए पहले, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी बनाया है, राइट? You should also check about for example, you should know that what is my financial status of my family. So like
Yeah,
before I go for it, I should check it, right?
yeah,
Isn't it?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Right? Then you should know your current education, कि मेरा करंट एजुकेशन क्या है और मैं किस तरीके से जा रहा हूँ. जैसे आपने मुझे बताया कि आपने बीबीए एंड देन एमबीए, बिकॉज यू वांट टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. सो आपने डिसाइड कर लिया है,
Yeah, yeah.
राइट? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Then person should know the personality traits. What is his or her personality traits are there? The behavior aspects, emotional aspects, attitude. Specifically, person should know about the own feelings and emotions,
Yeah.
right? Person should know about the nature, the life values, what he carries. He or she also should know about the hobbies. है ना? हॉबी कोई अगर प्रोफेशन बनाया तो अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ
Right.
सर, yes. It's
Correct.
very like मुझे जो पसंद है मैं वही कर रहा हूँ, like that.
Correct. So that also is more important. Then there are values and the knowledge, abilities, skills and
Ability, skills.
habits. It's a cash.
Yeah.
That person should know how much knowledge a person carries according to his or her goals. What are the abilities and skill he has? What are the habits does he carry with it? So these are the important things to be known, right? So there are a lot
Yeah.
of psychometric tests you will go through. There are a lot of assessment you will appear for, presentations and things, which will serve you to know your own self.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Sure.
So this will be the first step where you should know yourself, and during life coaching you will go through this, right? So you will have a lot of understanding about yourself. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Shall we go to the next slide? Okay. Then explore options. You should also analyze the industrial, social and technical traits, right? As you said, I want to do the e-commerce business, right? Something into e-commerce field. So there you need to check what are the technical updates are coming, what is the
Yeah.
society, the problem society is facing, and what is upcoming, right? So second step is you need to go to the industrial analysis, society analysis, technical change. You need to collect some info related to that. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Wonderful. Now identify the job titles. I am sure that, okay. Now, do you know branch manager reports to whom?
Branch manager reports to the like manager only, that
Area
director
manager.
of area
Correct.
manager.
The branch manager reports to area manager. Area manager who takes care of area. For example, there is a specific branch of a bank in a Godasar area, Maninagar area, Bhopal, Satellite, Naroda, Narol, everywhere, right, in Ahmedabad. So there is an area is called Ahmedabad area. So this all branch manager reports to the area manager. Area manager reports to the regional manager. Regional manager reports to the zonal. And their responsibilities are different. So have you heard these titles before, as I said? Area manager, regional manager, zonal manager.
Yes,
Have you heard of it?
yes, I have heard about this, but
Okay.
not experienced.
Okay. Do you have any idea about their job responsibilities, their degrees, what they require when they are recruited? What are the knowledge required, skills, abilities? Do you have any idea?
No, sir, I have not an idea about it, but I have heard
Correct.
that if any manager gets a job there, so upon its due to its experience, how he experiences and how he behaves with the firm, so according to him, it gets promoted and all. So
Okay. But there are specific criteria, जैमिन भाई, जब हम लोगों को रिक्रूट करते हैं. जैसे मैंने बताया, आपको ग्रोथ पाथ पता होना चाहिए, मतलब ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर पता होना चाहिए, आपको उनकी जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज पता होनी चाहिए, राइट? आपको नहीं है क्योंकि आपको किसी ने गाइड नहीं किया अभी तक. और ये सब आपको कहाँ से मिलेगा? naukri.com, monster.com, राइट? वहां पे आपको प्रोफाइल्स मिलेंगे कि आपकी इंडस्ट्री में जब कोई बेसिक प्रोफाइल रिक्रूट होता है तो उसका क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होता है, उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या होती है. Then your career path, as I have guided you, that like branch manager becomes area manager becomes zonal manager, right? Regional, zonal, kind of. तो ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन कहाँ से मिलेगा? तो पोर्टल से, राइट? वो सर्च करना पड़ता है, तो आपको वो करना चाहिए. Then you will come to know more responsibilities, the degrees, what is required, the knowledge, skills, abilities which are required for that particular profile. ग्रोथ पाथ क्या है उसमें, सैलरीज कितना मिलता है मुझे उसमें, उसके दूसरे कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव्स है क्या, राइट? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this should be the second step. The first step was more about yourself, where you should know yourself, so you have to do your self assessment. The second step comes to the explore the options, check the industrial train according to your interest, check more options. Rather than one, you can keep 3-4 options,
Yeah.
right? So that becomes more valuable, isn't it?
Yes,
Right?
yes, sir. Actually,
So
it's like,
is it clear? Do you have any question with this slide?
no, sir, not.
So you will undergo for a explore the options process during this life coaching, where you will be given tasks, and you have to come up with organization. You have to come up with those assessments. How much do you know? And then during your life coaching, you will be trained on organization structures, different designations, their responsibilities. Okay, the industrial
Yeah.
train, right? Everything you will be given, and you will be helpful. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, shall we go to the next slide? Next slide. Yes. Get focus. Now you keep 3-4 options, and be committed to that particular option. Now it is good thing that you have already decided that I want to be an entrepreneur. Now you should be more specific. How many business, like 3-4 businesses you should sort out according to your nature, your interest, according to your capabilities, and that has to be on different segment.
Yeah.
Then get focused on that. Also consider consequences. What will be the cost? What problem could arise? How can you tackle with them? So make your own decisions, and related to that, you create your action plan. You have already created action plan for your education, like I want
Yeah.
this education. In e-commerce, if you will be more specific that what industry you choose, you can go for it.
Yeah.
And 3-4 or 5 industries you should choose. I would say that एक वस्तु पर डिपेंड नहीं रहવાનું જીવનમાં.
हाँ.
4-5 બિઝનેસ, 4-5 ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી, 4-5 વસ્તુઓ રાખવાની અલગ અલગ.
Yeah, like eBay. I was wondering for eBay, Walmart, and Alibaba.
Correct. So you can go for more options too, right? Like delivery, the people do now. You can focus on malls also who are supporting with the applications, right? So you can support some small vendors like that same way, kind of. The small business, if one goes to the off, second will work. Or you can also think about that's called risk diversification, no? Risk management.
Risk management.
Yes, you can keep some manual, some online, everything. Is it clear?
Yeah, yeah.
But you should focus on that.
Hmm.
Shall we go to the next level? Right? And you should follow the consistency. Do not get diversified by the situation or word of the people.
Yeah,
Right?
it's
You
like
should gain that confidence that yes, one thing I will do, I love it, and I'll do it, and I know that I'll get succeed one day.
yeah.
So those goals, what you decide, you should work on those goals. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next slide. Next slide. આમાં કઈ પ્રશ્ન પૂછવો છે તમને?
No, sir. No, not
Okay.
not like.
Fourth step is self-development. Now, what is self-development? You know your education well, right? So education you are taking, right? So basic education, you are going to the college, you are acquiring BBA, MBA degree, right? Now, what are the other things which you should improve simultaneously? If you see in today's scenario, the communication skills are very important.
Yes, sir.
If I talk about English, English is an international language, right? And it is all documents, what even electricity bill, gas bill, all comes in English. So we must know English. We should be fair enough to communicate and transact with the people.
Yeah.
Presentation skill. Yes, today virtual platform has created, as you are talking about e-commerce, right? As we are also working on virtual platform. and you know that this is more productive. It saves the time for people, the cost, everything is saved, energy, and that comfort also we can feel,
Yeah, but
right? Yeah.
I'll take that on.
Yes, you are going, see, practically you are going to work with the people, right? But there is a comfort. Every time it is not needed. So there is a chance to balance in between, right? So presentation skills, interview skills, business communications are more important. You should analyze that. So during life coaching, we will analyze and we will assess your capabilities, right? And then one-on-one, we will work on those skills, right? As I said, you don't know about the business, you don't know about the business projects or organizational structure. You have studied, but you have practiced them,
Practice them. Yeah, I
right? So
I
you
have
will,
practical knowledge about it.
yeah. So you will practice here in the group with your colleagues. You know, you will do everything as we do in the session. You will do practice your business skills and all entire, the theories and everything, which will serve you with your development, right?
Yes, sir.
You should also start searching for the job, applying for the job, practicing and appearing for the interview, which will serve with the confidence. And this we will keep doing, right? Is it clear? Is it clear, Jamin bhai?
Yes,
You
sir.
are not audible.
Now,
Okay.
now,
No. Yes, yes, yes. So समझ में आ गया सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट क्या है?
yes, sir.
देखो आज डिग्री सबके पास है. अभी आपने देखा 12वीं की एग्जाम खत्म हुई है ना. खत्म हुई मतलब कैसे खत्म हुई? रद्द हो गई, राइट? सभी लोग पास हो गए, है ना. सो कंपटीशन तो डे बाय डे बढ़ ही रहा है, सामने उतनी जॉब नहीं. तो एजुकेशन, आज हम एमबीए कहते हैं, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू टुमारो यू विल से दैट आई एम एन एमबीए, राइट? बट यू शुड represent like an MBA. You should sound like an MBA. Qualities, it is not degree which will define you, right? It is the qualities and capabilities and your confidence will define, and that will help you to build your career, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And that is the reason self-development is more important, right? Shall we go to the next slide?
Yes,
The last step, fifth one. Okay. You should work with the professionals. Like for example, you are working with me for your professional development under life coaching. You know what you have done till date, right? The process and the notes you made. You know what are the skills you are going to build and how you are going to build, right? You should also create your network according to your business. So you will build relationship and you will learn more things. According to your business, you should also find somebody who can help you in technical aspects. I am here to help you with your development and the skills, right? For technical aspects, you can hire, you can have someone professionals with you, right? You should also record your accomplishments and feedback, which will serve you with the development and growth.
Yeah.
Right? So you have seen that during life coaching, we are going to make a life skills portfolio.
Yeah.
Right? And that will be in 4 parts: artifacts, reproduction, unsolicited attestations, and your personal development plan.
Yeah.
Right? So that will be that you can see that those are your accomplishment and feedbacks, which will serve you with the confidence. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So these are the 5 steps. The entire process is there, right? If I explain one more, go to the next slide. Yes. So this is the entire career development process, where first you should know about yourself. Then you should explore the options. You have to do industry analysis and job titles and everything. Then you should get focused. So you should know your goals and everything, right? According to that, you should get focused. Then fourth step is you should pursue your development plan. right? So there you should develop your skills, capabilities, apply for job, go there, right? And the last step is you should work with the professionals. You should build your skills and the all networks and everything. So you have to document, which will serve you with the confidence, right? So
Yeah.
are you clear with this 5 steps process?
Yes, sir. I'm clear with the all 5 steps. And
Yes. So now
yeah.
you should go one by one. We will go through this process. So as I keep giving you the task, and then after pre-assessment there are sessions which will happen, and then you will go for the post-assessment and validation.
Yeah.
तो आपके साथ जो करियर डेवलपमेंट आपका होने वाला है वो सेम इसी तरीके से होने वाला है. हम आपको पहले मदद करेंगे आपको अपने आप को जानने में. Then we will give you the theories or required knowledge, right? उसके बाद आपको इंडस्ट्री एक्सप्लोरेशन कराया जाएगा और उसमें बहुत सारी बिजनेस रिलेटेड चीजें सिखाई जाएगी, right? And then we will get focused, we will develop your capabilities, we will also help you to create your network according to your business.
Networking is also a part of.
Yes. So do you think this 5 steps process will help you?
Yes, sir. Definitely, it will help me a lot.
Right? And given
Yes.
this systematic approach and scientific approach and working for the going through this entire process, creating a lot of documentation, as you know, the portfolio, will it serve you with the confidence?
Yes, it will boost my confidence.
And will it boost up the confidence of the interviewer too? Like when you will represent your all projects, your life skill portfolio, you will represent them everything. Will it serve with the confidence to the other person that you have worked?
Yes, sir.
And
It
of
will
course, your
definitely.
yes, and of course, your capabilities and change and reflection, your personality will already talk about your own growth and development, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. So shall we go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question to this 5-step process?
No, sir.
5 स्टेप आपको समझ में आ गए बराबर?
Yes, sir.
ये कुछ स्किल्स है जो 21st सेंचुरी में बहुत जरूरी है, इंसान को सीखना ही चाहिए. Right? So could you just read them for me one by one?
Yes. Self-assessment and management, interpersonal relationship skills,
इंट्रापर्सनल मतलब खुद के साथ खुद का रिलेशन होता है ना. हम बहुत कुछ सोचते हैं, फिर हमारा सोच में ही रह जाता है, हमारा रिलेशन कभी कभी अच्छा नहीं होता खुद के साथ में, खुद को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता. वो अंदर की चीज है, वो इंट्रापर्सनल बोलते हैं. दुनिया के दिखाने के लिए तो हम मस्त होते हैं, है ना, लेकिन अंदर से पता होता है यार, है ना, दुखी है हम. तो वो वाला रिलेशनशिप है ना इंट्रापर्सनल मतलब, राइट? सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड सेल्फ रिलेशनशिप. या
interpersonal relationship,
yes,
career and
interpersonal, yes, career and
and
business management,
communication skills, financial
yes,
management, and
yes,
emotional management. Sir,
yes.
I'm just little confused about this stress and emotional management.
I will let you know. During your life skills, you will learn. Don't worry.
Okay. Human behavior, people management, project management, leadership management, English language communication, and resource and environment management. Okay.
Right? Today, these are the important skills that everyone has to learn. Right? So, these are some of the examples. Can we go to the next slide?
Yes.
And this everything is there in your life coaching. Don't worry. Right?
Yeah.
Can you read this? Any question you have related to your career? I am sure
No.
not. Currently,
Yes.
you haven't gone through the process. But how did you find the process that you are, you will experience? So how did you find it? Does it excite you? Are you curious to explore it?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'm very excited.
चलो wonderful. और यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा है, आप पढ़ेंगे उसको?
Winning is not everything, but wanting to win is everything. Go ahead. Yeah. Yes, sir.
है ना? तो हमें एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना नहीं है, मतलब बनने की कोशिश करना ही सब कुछ है. हम बन ही
हाँ।
जाएंगे ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है एक सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर, ठीक है, हमें धीरू भाई अंबानी या रतन टाटा बनेंगे ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, लेकिन हम सेटिस्फाइड होकर अपना खा पी लेंगे, कमा लेंगे, एक अच्छी लाइफ जी लेंगे, ये बहुत है, राइट। अगर बन गए तो वो हमारा नसीब है ना। सो दैट इज अ डेस्टिनी
हाँ।
एंड आवर एफर्ट. So what it says that winning is not everything, but wanting to win is everything, because that's my effort, that's my motivation, right? So I'm very happy that you have already decided to be an entrepreneur. It's a pleasure to be an entrepreneur for anyone, right? And I'm sure you will be great entrepreneur going further. Wish you
Thank you,
all
sir.
the very best, and once again, you know, welcome to the life coaching. As already you are doing your pre-assessment and you are sending reports and submitting assignments. So today's assessment, today's assignment will be given to you according to the process, and there you will, it will help you to understand your professional career decisions.
Yeah,
Right?
sure.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So any question that you have right now? I hope you don't have.
No.
Fine. So thank you so much, Jaimin Bhai, for being here, and have a great day. See you into the next session. Wish you all the very best.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, welcome. Take care and have a great day.